Welcome back, viewers. This is Mighty Machines, and today get ready to be blown away because we have an extraordinary lineup of crazy powerful machines, innovative tools, and inventions you absolutely cannot miss. So buckle up and prepare to be immersed in a world of jaw-dropping innovation and excitement. Number 1. Volvo 105 Ton R100. Our first jaw-dropping machine is the Volvo 105 Ton R100. Volvo has manufactured a range of heavy-duty trucks with different models and configurations over the years, and this is one of them. This colossal excavator is designed to easily take on the most demanding excavation projects. It's a true titan in the construction industry. The Volvo 105 Ton R100 boasts a tremendous digging force of 520 Newton-meters, allowing it to effortlessly handle heavy loads. Its innovative hydraulic system ensures precise control, making it the go-to choice for large-scale excavations. Number 2. Volvo A60H. Next on our list is the Volvo A60H, a mammoth dump truck that sets new standards in hauling capabilities. With a staggering payload capacity of 60 tons, it's the epitome of heavy-duty performance. The Volvo A60H features an innovative drivetrain that optimizes power distribution, ensuring excellent traction even on challenging terrains. Its spacious cab and advanced suspension system provide unparalleled comfort for the operator. Number 3. Basting GMBH. Now let's explore the innovative tool, the Basting GMBH. This groundbreaking invention has revolutionized the road construction and maintenance industry. German business Basting GmbH is focused on producing high-quality metal parts and components for numerous sectors. The company was established in 1987, and Borchen, Germany, serves as its corporate headquarters. Basting uses a variety of cutting-edge production techniques, such as CNC machining, die casting, and stamping, to provide its clients bespoke solutions. The Basting GmbH is an automated road marking machine that combines precision and efficiency. Its advanced technology ensures accurate markings and reduces the time and effort required for load maintenance tasks. Number 4. Optimus Paving Specialist. Moving on, we have the Optimus Paving Specialist, an excellent machine that streamlines the laying of paving stones and bricks. The Optimus Paving Specialist features innovative suction technology. With its precise control system, it ensures impeccable accuracy in creating stunning and durable paved surfaces. Number 5. Crawler USA. Get ready to be amazed by Crawler USA, an incredible remote-controlled robotic platform that conquers extreme terrains with ease. For a number of industries, including exploration, geotechnical, environmental, construction, and mining, Crawler USA is a corporation that produces and sells crawler-mounted drilling equipment. Drilling rigs, drill bits, and various drilling equipment are among the company's goods. In addition to designing and manufacturing its own equipment, Crawler USA also offers training and support to assist customers to get the most out of their tools. One of the products they boast is this one. Crawler USA is equipped with powerful hydraulic legs and a robust suspension system, enabling it to navigate through challenging landscapes. Its versatility makes it ideal for applications such as search and rescue missions or exploration in hazardous environments. Number 6. Konecranes Heavy-Duty Tire Handler by United Forklift and Access Solutions. Let's now shift our focus to the Konecranes Heavy-Duty Tire Handler, a remarkable machine developed by United Forklift and Access Solutions. A world leader in material handling solutions, Konecranes created the Konecranes Heavy-Duty Tire Handler. United Forklift and Access Solutions, a licensed dealer of Konecranes equipment in Australia, is the company selling this specific item. Large and heavy tires used on mining trucks and other heavy vehicles can only be handled by the Konecranes Heavy-Duty Tire Handler. It's perfect for use in mining and other industrial applications because it can lift tires weighing up to 16,000 kilograms and with diameters up to 4 meters. The hydraulic system on the tire handler makes it possible to precisely regulate the movements, making it simple to move and position the tires in a safe and effective manner. To safeguard the operator, the tire handler's cab is fitted with a number of safety measures, such as a rollover protection system, ROPS, and a falling object protection system. Next up, we have the Edmo Lift AB, an innovative lifting solution that simplifies material handling tasks in various industries. The Edmo Lift AB is a compact and versatile lifting platform that can be easily integrated into existing infrastructure. It's perfect for loading and unloading heavy items from trucks, optimizing productivity, and reducing the risk of injuries. Number 8. Linde World. Get ready to be fascinated by Linde World, a cutting-edge company that specializes in industrial heating and plastic welding solutions. Linde World's inventions include state-of-the-art hot air blowers and welding machines that deliver precision and efficiency in various applications. Their innovative tools, from automotive manufacturing to roofing, ensure high-quality results and increased productivity. Number 8. Volvo L350H, Volvo EC950F, Volvo SD115B, and Volvo PL4611 pipe layer. Let's take a moment to appreciate the Volvo lineup of powerful machines. The Volvo L350H, Volvo EC950F, Volvo SD115B, and Volvo PL4611 pipe layer are exceptional examples of Volvo's commitment to engineering excellence. The Volvo L350H is a wheel loader that combines impressive power and fuel efficiency. It's designed to handle heavy loads with ease, making it an invaluable asset to the construction and mining industries. The Volvo EC950F is an excavator that delivers outstanding performance and reliability. Its robust construction and advanced features make it effortlessly tackle even the most demanding digging and lifting tasks. The Volvo SD115B is a compact and agile soil compactor that ensures optimal compaction results. Its intelligent features and ergonomic design make it a preferred choice for achieving excellent soil density in various construction projects. The Volvo PL4611 pipe layer is a specialized machine for laying pipelines with precision. Its advanced hydraulics and impressive lifting capacity make it an indispensable tool in the oil and gas industry. Number 10. Parkit 360. Lastly, we have the Parkit 360, a game changer in the world of trailer maneuvering and parking. Parkit 360 offers a range of innovative electric trailer movers that eliminate the hassle of manual maneuvering. With their compact size and powerful motors, these devices make it effortless to position trailers in tight spaces or challenging terrain. And there you have it, folks. Which one impressed you the most? Let us know in the comments below. If you want similar videos, do not forget to subscribe to us and click the notification bell so you can get notified whenever we post new videos. Please like this video and comment in the comment section below. We'd love to hear your thoughts, suggestions, and reactions. And remember, stay tuned for more mind-blowing content on our channel. Until next time, take care and keep exploring. Thank you for watching. Bye!